Hey guys, Jason with 303 Insurance Brokers. Fall is here. That means winter's right around the corner. So I want to give you guys a couple of quick safety tips as you're heading in towards winter driving as these roads start to get built up with snow and ice on them. The first thing you need to do as you head into the winter driving is to make sure that you've got the right tires. Not only do you want to make sure you have a good all-season tire, but you also want to make sure you have enough tread on your tires. The ability to stop safely in the snow can really help prevent an accident. And if you cause an accident, even in the wintertime with the bad road conditions and everything like that, that's 3 to 5 years of increased insurance rates. So I always want to make sure that investment in a new set of tires now could save you literally hundreds of dollars to thousands of dollars over the next couple of years. And the second thing I want to talk about too is on the roads. CDOT and the Colorado Department of Transportation, they utilize a lot of rock still. So we see a huge increase in broken windshields and chipped windshields this time of year. One thing you can do is a lot of our carriers offer glass protection coverage. What that means is that for a little bit more each month, you're going to get replacement of your windshield or any other window in your car at a much reduced cost than your normal comprehensive deductible. So if you have a car 2018 or newer that's got some of the cameras and technology behind the windshield, it can ultimately be anywhere from $1,200 to $1,500 to get your windshield replaced, whereas we can offset some of that cost with our carriers to either make it a $0 deductible, $50 deductible, or even $100 deductible. So if you want to learn more about the glass buyback program and how to save money from having to prevent paying out of your own pocket for a windshield, please feel free to contact me, Jason with 303 Insurance Brokers.